Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in today. So we're on episode 2 of the Great Whoopie Pie Recipe Quest. And today it's pretty special to me because we're using my grandma's recipe. I've used it before, but it's been several years since I've done it. So I'm excited to try it, and let's just get started. Okay, I got the first batch in the oven. If you notice when I tilted it up, it did not slide. So these are much thicker already than the last recipe we made. That one was so runny, it just like flattened like a pancake when I put it on. So that was the first difference I noticed. So first batch done. It was supposed to be 8 minutes and I put it on for 10, not quite 10. So oops, we'll see if it makes a difference. I'm gonna look right now. Actually, they look slightly overdone. So yeah, it shouldn't have been 10. Okay, we're all done. Here are the Whoopie pies. They turned out pretty well. Like, they look good. As you can see, it's kind of puffy, like it's supposed to be on either side. My only issue, because I've already tasted one, is that when you bite down, they smush. So the icing is super delicious, but it doesn't hold its shape very well. That's the only thing I can say bad about this recipe, is that it doesn't hold its shape. But besides that, they're good. And I love the texture. It's not too sticky. The 8-minute pies turned out pretty much perfectly. So I would give these a 9 out of 10, maybe 9.5.
These are a lot sweeter, and the filling is the same, and I like this. I like the filling, but these taste like authentic whoopie pies that you would get in a stand at Lancaster. So good job. I like these. Much better.
Thank you. So we're in episode 2 of the Great Whoopie Pie Recipe Quest. You notice when I tipped it, it did not slide the last episode. Dang it, to cut it.
Okay.
Cheers.